Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Realme phone lock screen setting. And today friends we will talk about guys double tap to wake screen setting, how to enable on Realme phone device and how to use it. Friends, you want to on your double tap to wake screen setting on your Realme phone. So how to on and use in this video we will talk about one by one and step by step. Friends, open your Realme phone setting. After on guys Realme phone setting, as you can see this type interface on your Realme mobile. Friends, click on Realme phone home and lock screen setting. Then friends, you can see this type interface: home screen setting, home screen layout, lock home screen layout, swipe down setting, show app suggestion setting. Friends, you can see lock screen setting, raise to wake. Friends, you want to enable raise to wake on your device, you can enable and you can disable from here. Friends, click on double tap to wake screen setting, right side guys, you can enable. After enable guys, how to use it. So once you want to lock your Realme phone screen without press power button, so once you can see screen lock setting, click here. After lock guys, you want to on your Realme phone screen without press power button friends. First of all guys, I will lock. So friends, without press power button guys, double tap on your screen. Screen will on guys automatic. Double tap here, screen will on automatic, and double tap to off screen setting. So guys, when your Realme phone device is locked, so friends double tap here and you can unlock your screen without press power button guys. So I hope you understood how to use double tap to wake screen setting. Lock your screen, and once you want to unlock your Realme phone screen, then double tap here and you can swipe and you can unlock your Realme phone device. So like that friends, we can use double tap to wake screen setting on Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. And friends, you don't want to use, so friends you can off from here, click here and your double tap wake screen setting will off and you cannot unlock your phone with double tap. So bye guys, thanks for watching.